everyone, welcome back to another video. So in previous video we have created a button and with text as well. So today our topic is how to change a theme color in black and also in the daylight color, so which is dark mode and daylight. So let's start with the lecture. So first we have to create a linear gradient. We have to choose the colors, which is red and yellow, starting point from top leading and ending point bottom trailing. Okay, so here you can see we have a linear gradient uh, which is showing in the screen, showing a gradient color for the daylight mode. So we have to show it on the full screen, so we are choosing ignore safe area edges. So here you can see it's now showing on full screen as well. So next thing, we need to have a button. When we click on that button, it will change the theme color to dark mode, and when we click again it will change the mode to light mode. So for that we have to create a button. For that, here you can see label. We will use the text like in the previous video. Change theme color. Okay, here you can see it's showing the button on the bottom of the side. You can put on the top and anywhere else where you need. For now we are just covering the changing background theme, so we are not focusing on that thing. So for that, changing the background theme, so for that we need to have a clickable thing or any variable for that. So here we have to create and state private variable is night equals false. Okay, so we are using this variable to change the theme of that linear gradient or the background color. So we can use is night dot toggle. When button is clicked, it will change that background from night to daylight. So for that we have to place a check here as well, which is night is true. Then we have to use the button to change the background color. So we will use the black, and if it's not true then it's showing the red. Same goes for the next color, is night. Can use dot gray, otherwise it will show you yellow button. Okay, here you can see our function is fine. So when we click on that, here you can see it's changed that whole linear gradient color to dark mode, and when we click again it will show you the next menu, which is daylight mode. So that's all for today video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoy and if you want to see more videos related to SwiftUI and iOS, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.